Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to select Enable DNS over HTTPS using max protection in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have been pinned in my taskbar and go to the three bar icons, click here and settings we have pressed. So here the privacy and security that we want to do the secure enhancing work. So here in scrolling in below side we will get the things. So DNS over here the explanation, so why we will do so it over HTTPS send a request for a domain name through an encrypted connection, providing a secure DNS and making it harder for other to see which website you are about to access. So here we want to do the max protection. Firefox will always use secure DNS. You will see a secure risk warning before we use your or our system DNS. So click here and also we'll find lots of things criteria where have been provider you selected always warm if secure DNS is not available. Also the DNS secure is not available site. For that case they can do. Also have choice the provider. So next DNS customs we can also do this thing. So when you press this max protection the thing has been protected. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.